Hello friends, welcome to our new YouTube channel Mermaid. Fish keeping is a very popular hobby. Many people love to do this and so do we. We have years of experience in fish keeping. So why not we share our experience with you people who are interested in this. We are going to show you a different side of fish keeping that you have never seen. Here we will talk about the types of fishes, aquarium setups, frequent diseases and more related topics. So today in this video we will discuss some general facts about aquariums for your better understanding. One good thing about having an aquarium is after a long tiring day, when you come back home and look at your own aquarium, that one glimpse of the colorful world soothes your mind. But many maintenance related myths are also there about aquariums. People often think that cleaning and water changing has to be done regularly, which is a hectic job. But it is absolutely wrong. We will explain how easily and efficiently you can do all this at your home in our upcoming episodes. The aquarium you are seeing here is a normal 2-feet goldfish aquarium with minimal framework. The dimension of the aquarium is 2 feet versus 15 inches versus 12 inches. We have used here some white and colored stones for the base, a basic filtering system and normal lighting for decoration. This is a 1-year-old tank. There are many fishes in this tank, but some have died over the years as we have faced few problems too. These fully grown fishes were small initially when we first put them in the tank and now see them. Currently in this tank we have some goldfishes and a crocodile fish. There are many categories of goldfishes which we will discuss in our next episodes. Now you can simply enjoy the beautiful fins and the movements of the goldfishes. Look at the goldfishes. It have well accustomed to the surroundings and look so beautiful in the aquarium. It also complements the background with its color. What you're seeing here is our collective efforts for the maintenance of the fishes. Although the fish do not need much maintenance and the water, as I said, doesn't necessarily have to be changed regularly. In fact, we change only 20 to 30% of the water every week. Even when it comes to feeding the fishes, usually feed them with food, in particular dry food, that many of you will learn in our later episodes. Now again, you look at this beautiful aquarium, how these little bubbles, lighting and of course the colorful fishes are making this simple aquarium mesmerizing. Everyone needs a hobby which can be nurtured in their free times, and we can assure you after a long hard working week, this will surely help you to keep your mind calm. Every person wants to have something on their own which they can do after going back from hard days of work. Basically, this is what hobbies are all about for. So here we will share some easy tricks and tips about fish keeping, especially for aquarium lovers. Also, we will show you different forms of aquariums like nature aquariums, aggressive fish tank, monster tank, marine aquariums, etc. All of which you will get to know in our coming episode. We are pretty sure after watching the beauty of the simple aquarium, you will want to have one of your own. So stay tuned and keep on watching Mermaid. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video.